Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily manage storage on your Samsung Galaxy A36 to free up space and keep your device running smoothly. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, what you guys need to do is open up settings and now tap on battery and device care. Now go to device care. And here, what you need to do is select storage. Now you will see a breakdown of used and available storage categorized by apps, compressed files, images, audio files, and videos. And now, if you want to free up space using it, now you can simply go to trash, and here you can delete it. Now select all, delete all, and now what we can do is select files again. Now, as you guys can see, we're gaining 6 megabytes, which is a lot. Now, if we want to clean now everything, we can click on show more, and here we can choose from the apps and many more, just like images, compressed files. As you guys can see, now we can go to trash and now we're gaining 1 gigabyte of storage that was used by a random file. Now, if an app is taking too much data or cache, what you can do is not uninstall it, but to clear the cache. So how to do that is go to apps and now select the app that you want to delete the cache in. For example, let it be Google Wallet. Now scroll down until you see storage right here and now click on clear data. It will also clear the cache, so there's nothing to worry. We can do that with almost every app installed here. As you guys can see, we can do that for OneDrive if it's not cleared. And now click on clear data. And that's how you can do it. Also, if you have an SD card, you can move files here to free up the storage from your phone. But I do not have an SD card on me, so I cannot show it. Also, you can use cloud storage like Google Drive, OneDrive, as you guys can see, or Samsung Cloud. Now, if you want to back up those files, go to settings. Now, what you need to do is go to accounts and backup right here. And here, you can click on backup data. As you guys can see, we can click backup now or Samsung Cloud backup data, but here I need to update the cloud. And that will be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.